I think from an engineering perspective, it's all about making sure that your engineers are in full understanding of the failure modes, and based on those on this knowledge of the failure modes of the system, what are the mitigations by design or by operational procedure that you're putting in place, even at the product development level. So my team is doing that, and we have a safety management system as well on top of that that captures any occurrence during ground testing, for example. And we're building a database that is specific to how the hydrogen system is integrated onto the helicopter. And we learn from those different failure modes, either by analysis or in a low risk environment, such as ground test bench, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we feed that into the actual vehicle design going forward. And for each of those failure modes, again, we have a comprehensive approach in terms of how to mitigate that to meet the ultimately the safety requirement for certification.
Mm-hmm. And I think it's so important that your team, because United Therapeutics is a life-saving company, as engineers, sometimes we can forget that, we're messing with machines and voltages, and we can kind of lose sight of like there's going to be a human in this. But since your team, your core company is based on saving lives, like it was important for me to hear Martine say that's a human life, in that sometimes as engineers, we kind of tend to lose sight of that. We get excited to, see something work. And of course, safety first, safety first, safety first. But sometimes it's just, I know a lot of engineers with missing body parts, from doing experiments. So I think, just with your guys' values, that really helps, because not many aviation companies come out of the medical field. So I think that just adds another layer of awareness to what you all are
Yeah,
doing.
yeah, that's a good point.